All right, what we're going to do is take that basic round bead that's covered in frit, and we're going to encase it. Encasing means applying a thin layer of transparent glass over your base bead. In this case, we're going to use clear glass to encase it. Now, the tricky part about this is to keep your base bead warm without cracking while melting your clear rod enough to make it molten enough to spread over the base bead. So if you'll see, I have about a marble-sized blob of glass, and I'm going to push it onto the base bead and twirl the bead around. Again, you want to try to apply that as evenly as possible. What you're going to notice is there's some spots that you've missed. You're going to go back in with your clear rod, and you're going to fill in those spots. I missed just a little bit there and a little bit on this side. And in the next step, I'm going to show you how to take this and turn it into a round bead again.